Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change the default language inside of Google Search to English or any other language offered by Google. This may be useful if for some reason your browser's language was accidentally set to something else, if you're visiting somewhere foreign, or maybe you want to use this as a prank to get back at someone. No judgments. To do this, head to google.com. On the bottom right of your browser screen, select Settings, the option all the way to the right. In here, select Search Settings, which is the top option. On the left menu, choose Languages. If this is in a language that you don't recognize, the language selection is the second option. Now inside of here, you can change the preferred default language back to English or whatever language that you want. When you're done, select Save, which is the first option highlighted at the bottom. Click OK and you should be redirected back to the Google homepage. And that's how you change the default search language inside of the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.